Vacuklav 41B+ and 43B+ Evolution are so-called standalone steam sterilizers. The devices are fitted with integrated water tanks and can be operated without a connection to a water line. To fill the storage tank, remove the lid and fill the tank with a maximum of 4 litres of demineralized water up to the marked area. To empty the feed and wastewater tanks, please open the media board. Connect the drain hose included in the scope of delivery to the desired fitting until it snaps into place. Open the drain tap with a quarter anti-clockwise turn and empty the water into a bucket. Please turn the knob into a vertical starting position to close the drain tap. You can remove the cover completely to facilitate cleaning of the internal storage tanks. When filling the feed water, please check and clean the right-hand tank if necessary. The left-hand wastewater tank must be cleaned every 2 weeks.